Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The Department of Civil Aviation regrets to confirm that a Pacific Flying School Cessna 172 aircraft, registration DQFTR, was reported missing at around midday yesterday. On board the aircraft were the flying instructor and a student pilot. Lambasa Flight Service declared a local standby emergency phase 12:20 p.m. yesterday. The Nandi Air Traffic Management declared a search and rescue SAR uncertainty phase at 12:40, and shortly after upgrade the search and rescue phase to what you call distress levels at 12:48 p.m. The Fiji Rescue Coordination Center, which is made up of AFL, CAF, the Fijian Police Force, RFMF, Navy, took over the search and rescue operations from 2:30 p.m. yesterday. The last location on the Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, or OADSB, for the Cessna 172 aircraft recorded by ATC is about 6 nautical miles south-southwest of Lambasa and approximately 1 nautical mile west-northwest of Navakurua village. The search and rescue operations are still continuing, led by the AFL, CAF, Fiji Police, RFMF and Navy. We confirm to the Department of Civil Aviation that an independent investigator will shortly be appointed to carry out all the necessary investigations. In the meantime, of course, we are still hopeful that we'll find the crash site, and the search will continue until we have done so. Thank you. Any questions? Okay, thank you very much. Naka. Thanks.
So, can I just ask you one question regarding the Ministry of Education? Just those students who, after their fees were paid, and they withdraw from school. They partway through the term, or at the end of the term, they don't want to go back to next term or something. What measures are the ministry taking?
Please send me your questions.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.